babes. Come in. Welcome, and welcome to AeStudios. Yes. So let's first talk about inspiration of my studio. So yes, as you can see, there's like black. No, that's not black. That's white and gold. So that's it. You look at that. Look at that. It's in every details. It's in gold and it's shiny because I love shiny things. And it's inspired by the whole Renaissance Baroque era. I know they're two different eras, but I love those two. So let's talk about this, by the way, before we go to the exciting part. This painting, it's actually a frame, guys, so don't be fooled by the rocks that I got. I'm still Jennifer from the block. Anyway, so this is the Renaissance party. As you can see, it's not censored because I love showing off my asset. Yes, my asset there. And I actually made this in the same size as my TV. And there's a bit of a problem with the TV because this person, that's me, didn't pay the monthly thing yet. So let's deal with that, okay? And now, let's go to where I do my vlogs. So this is where I do my little YouTube videos with some people. As you can see, familiar, yes, it is familiar because it better be. Because you should be watching my YouTube, because if you haven't, you have to be subscribed. So I've done vlogs with Ken, Diane, Daryl, and a lot more people. And I've actually been in contact with some other people too, so better stay tuned, okay? And this is Marjorie. I love Marjorie because I just named her now. This is where I put my wigs and pretty much fix it while I'm on it. Yes. And one more thing. This is also where I do my DJ, my disc jockey. Wow. So let's move on to the next part. This painting is actually a gift from my cousin, Nicole Tatsuya. Thank you so much for this. I actually put it here to also cover this. It's not cute, so it's there, okay? So yeah, what can we talk about?
The lighting.
The lighting, yes. Oh, these lights are actually from London, so I had to bring it and import it here. It's quite a lot, but it's all worth it because I need the lights to see, for you to see me, okay? And guys, I know I'm a guy sometimes, so I need to get my manly things going on. So I have a PS5 here. And okay, so as you can see my previous vlogs or my cousin's live, Cookie, shout out. Hello, Cookie. She's there. This is where we usually drink. We make tagay here, okay? We do karaoke because we like having fun. We make tagay a lot.
Of course.
And we make lasing a lot because, oh my god, we don't make tagay a lot, okay? We just make a lot. Okay, anyway. Oh, and by the way, I love the whole aesthetic of this dried bouquet. I just love having it there because it's always about the simplest things that you just want to keep and about how much they value you, and just like giving simple gifts is always appreciated by me. So if you have gifts, I'll be waiting. Get it? Okay, so this one. Okay, let me tell you that these two mannequins have different costumes every time I have new vlogs. So this one was the latest one, Queen Udiaka, and if you haven't seen it yet, what are you doing? What are you doing, fam? So this is it. This is what I wore for Queen Udiaka, except the wig, of course, okay? Censored. Okay, so let's move on to this part. This was for my birthday. I did a little debut. Ang kapal ko guys, nag-debut pa diba? Kala mo naman 18. Pero anyway, ito siya ang debut. Item. So ito siya, this is what I wore. Thanks to Tohe, she made this gown, she designed it. Oh, and by the way, speaking of design, let's talk about my couches. These couches, yes. These are also custom made because I am very meticulous with whatever is in the studio. So this is designed to be half moon. And there's a mirror so you can see the full moon. Wow. The full moon. Right. So let's talk about let's go back here, okay? I love Versace, so I don't know if you don't know that yet. If you don't know that, I don't know if you know me yet. Because like in Ormoc City, I always pretty much wear this brand. And this, look at this. The pillow. The pillow. I love to stick to branding. So as you can see, my cousin's there. Hi, Kuya.
Hi there.
Do you want to see something cute? Do you want to see something cute? These lights that I have, except the chandelier, are actually voice activated. So, do you want to see it?
Yeah, you can actually turn off the chandelier so they can see the...
Okay, let's turn off the chandelier because it's not part of it. So, let's get... do you have a color? Give me a color. I see the color.
I like the color blue.
Blue, okay. So, let's try this. Hey Siri, change my studio lights into color blue.
Wow, so amazing.
I always love doing that because it's so cute. And it's you don't have to just click because I like to do it with my mouth.
Any color suggestions?
Any color? No, any. Credit sa Ate Taffy. Credit sa Ate Taffy. She did my hair.
Yeah.
She also did my hair for Crino Diaka. Oh,
why so sexy?
Let's also change the lights to warm lights again. Hey Siri, change my studio lights to warm lights so you can see the beauty of Ate Taffy.
You say hi to them.
There we go. Hello, Opa.
Hello, guys.
Also available on OnlyFans. Kidding. Okay. So this is the part where I do the editing on my YouTube videos. This is where I sit, so let's talk about where I sit. Oh, and by the way guys, if you've been watching me on Bigo, this is pretty much where I do my live sessions. I sit here, just look at the background. Look at the background. It's that. That's on Bigo, and it's my computer. And speaking of Bigo, I've met a couple of lovely people, and I've also met this I don't know what to talk about now. Kinikilig ako, te. So, and by the way, you know, this studio is separated from my kitchen. So what I do usually is I just call them. So, let's give it a try. We'll make tawag, okay? Because I'm sometimes too lazy, so just go there and ask for Milo. So, this is what happens. Let's call them. Hi, Madi! Madi! Please cook Milo, sis. Thank you, sis. Thank you, okay. Bye-bye. Let's wait for the Milo. While we're doing that, let's check up on Ate Taffy. Ate Taffy! Oh, tumatago siya. Tumatago siya, oo. Yan. Ano masasabi mo for today's video?
For today's video, ito ako.
Oh, and one more thing. There's also, as you can see, in my previous vlog, there was this painting, right? And this is also a painting of me. Also, just edited. Edited lang siya. And oh, I put my mom's there. My mom's face, because inspiration. Shout out to mom. I love you. So yeah, that's me with other girls. And yeah, let's just wait for my Milo. Wala pang Milo ko. You knock. They may tawag na.
Yeah.
Ito na pala si Marie Flo. Did I hear? I'm so sorry. Ay, di ba ganon? Salamat, Madi. Di ba? Ganon lang. Ang galit pa siya, te. Actually, hindi dapat yan Milo. Dapat ano yan. Baka hindi. Pero good girl tayo today. Di ba, kuya? Diba? Alright. Alright. Okay, so what else? So hey guys, so this is where I do my marketing, the financing, and like let's say pretty much the decoration of my upcoming bar in Chinatown. It's called Euphoria. Wow. It is very unique here in Ormoc City. And I don't want to reveal so much about it because you just have to go and check it out for yourself.
And so, that's another vlog.
And that's for another vlog. Thank you, Kuya. So hey babes, if you want to see what's inside my walk-in closet, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and tell your friends, okay? Comment down below. I'll be watching. So let's go check it out. Let's have a bit of a teaser, shall we?
Ciao!